What's going on this morning, YouTube? Saturday morning here at Mongo's Garage. We are going to replace this cab corner this morning. Don't know if you've ever watched a cab corner get replaced or if you have any idea what goes into it. I know I don't have any idea what goes into it. I just do it. So watch, learn, listen, laugh at me if you have to. I don't care. Just let's see what we can get done today. Big flat field done. So what I'm doing here is cutting out the material, the rotten material that I know I'm going to replace, so that I can get a good fitment, because I butt cut these, and whenever you're butt cutting, you want that thing as close as you can get it on the top side. So what I've done is essentially cut that out. I've drilled all the spot welds out. This is a special spot weld removal tool. It's actually a 15/16 Godori wrench. It's been manipulated and cut and is now my spot weld popper tool. Alright, so what we have here is a nice little, I think it's a Steelman, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Steelman machine tool, metal cutting bandsaw. Picked this up at a local auction, and I like to use it for these long straight cuts. It helps me, keep them good and straight. So what I got to do is, because these aren't the right corners for an extended cab, I got to cut roughly 1/4 of an inch or more off of this lip, and I like doing that on the bandsaw to keep it good and straight. Alright, so what we did, we got that cut off. It's relatively straight. There's a burr all the way down here, so I want to go ahead and get this thing cleaned up so I can do the welding on it. So on this piece, there's a little lip that's bent over here. And what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to use that section of it to roll up under the cab corner. But again, because this isn't the right cab corner for this truck, I'm going to flatten that out so I can do that. And that's really all it takes. You can see there now it's flat across there. All right, well, we got the cab corner welded in all the way around the corner, down the side, up underneath, put a couple patches in across the bottom, and now we're gonna grind for 2 hours. Oh joy. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Saturday. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Sunday morning here at Mongo's Garage. I just got back home from church. Just wanted to do a wrap up because we weren't able to finish that wrap up last night. Let's take a look and see what I got done Saturday here in Mongo's Garage. So the Green Goblin is still sitting here in the garage. Things are quite a mess here. Yesterday when we were in here working, I just got inoculated there for the COVID on Friday, and boy, it hit me yesterday pretty good. You can kind of still hear in my voice where I'm a little stuffed up here this morning, but feeling a whole lot better. So this is what we got done. Got the cab corner in on the passenger side. Everything's all ground flush, ground off. I did something a little different here. I tucked that front seam in behind the virgin or the OE metal. That's why there's that little lip built up there on that cab corner. I'm gonna need some mud to put into there. I did a patch there, a patch across the middle, and then a patch clear up in the front. So this side is ready pretty much to be sanded. Put some mud into that cab corner and get it where it needs to be. And like I said, hopefully today we're gonna do some cleaning because it is a mess in here. But I do have door bottoms ordered. I ordered a couple door bottoms off of Jeff's Bronco Graveyard, 59 bucks a piece, because I was not going to spend $700 for a set of rear doors. That's what these, what they're calling super cab doors cost. On Marketplace here local, 350 bucks a piece. But wasn't going to spend that, so I went ahead and ordered up a set of door bottoms. We did come across a deal. One of the friends of the family was working on his Super Duty and bought the wrong radiator, so KJ was able to score a brand new radiator for one of these. Not real sure what that's going to go into, but for what he spent on it, it definitely wouldn't hurt or doesn't hurt to have it laying around. And again, this is kind of what we got. The old Green Goblin. Don't know what on earth I was thinking whenever I said I would put this one back together, but you know, we're not going to make it perfect, not going to make it, you know, it's going to be better than it was. Let's put it that way, right? So yeah, we're going to do some cleaning here this afternoon, hopefully, and maybe get some welding done on that driver's side, get the welding on the cab done. That's all for now. So this video's gotten pretty long. I'm going to go ahead and cut it here. Sunday morning, we are going to work this afternoon. Maybe you'll see that video Monday night. So I appreciate you guys coming back. Did find something today. The guy that we bought KJ's trailer off of over in Burgestown, his name is Matt. His channel name is Diesel Creek. So go out there and check him out. He's got a couple videos up, 100 and some. Quite a bit of followers. Maybe we can add a couple to it, right? All right, guys. For the meantime, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all those things. Talk to you guys later. Bye now. What you doing, puppy? What you doing, Jack? What you doing, Jack? Hey, Jack. What are you doing, Jack? Is that stick good? Is that yummy? Mmm.